Many of you have likely encountered many videos about YouTube automation. Some of these videos may promise huge numbers and easy success. However, today I'm taking a different approach. This isn't about hyped-up promises or overnight results. Instead, I'm here to show you how YouTube automation actually works. We will go through the process step by step, giving you a realistic view of what it takes to create a sustainable channel. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create content that generates passive income without having to do everything yourself. But there are some challenges and misconceptions that you need to be aware of. Stay tuned as I break down the positive aspects, the negatives, and the practical details. First, let me explain what YouTube automation really is. It's not about robots or AI taking over your channel. It's more like outsourcing the parts of creating videos that you either don't want to do or don't have time for. This can include tasks like writing scripts, recording voiceovers, editing videos, and even designing thumbnails. Think of it as building a team to handle the workload so you can focus on the bigger picture. Here is a realistic 5-step plan to automate your YouTube channel. Step 1. Choose a niche that is in demand but not oversaturated, using tools like Google Trends or TubeMagic to research what people are searching for. Step 2. Create the content plan by strategically outlining your video ideas. Consider evergreen content, such as top 10 lists or best of reviews, that continues to draw views long after upload. Step 3. Outsource production by hiring freelancers for tasks like scriptwriting, voiceovers, and video editing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy to find skilled professionals at different budget levels. Step 4. Publish consistently by maintaining a regular upload schedule, which signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active and helps reach more viewers. Step 5. Monetize strategically by enabling ads once you're eligible, while also exploring affiliate marketing and digital products as additional income streams. Now, let's talk about some tools that can make the automation process smoother. Canva is great for creating professional thumbnails even if you don't have graphic design experience. Pictory can help you turn text into videos quickly. Audacity is a free tool perfect for recording and editing voiceovers. TubeMagic or similar tools can optimize your titles, tags, and descriptions to boost discoverability. Remember, you don't need to start with everything at once. Begin with the essentials and build up as your channel grows. Keep in mind that YouTube automation isn't a magic solution, and there are challenges to be solved. One is skipping research. Diving into a niche without proper investigation can lead to videos that no one watches. Take the time to analyze trends and audience demand. Another issue is low-quality content. Automation doesn't mean cutting corners. If your videos don't provide value, viewers won't stick around, which hurts your growth. Inconsistency is also a challenge. Success on YouTube requires regular uploads, and a sporadic schedule can make it harder for your channel to gain traction. Consider that channels like The Richest and Brightside took years to build their audiences. Their success didn't happen overnight. By consistently delivering engaging content, they've become reliable sources of income. Your journey might take time too, and that's perfectly okay. Here's a simple plan to get started. Decide on a niche today without overthinking it. Write down 10 video ideas to kick things off. Hire one freelancer this week to help with either scripting or editing. Start small and improve as you go. If you want to learn how to begin your YouTube journey in 2025, watch this video. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more practical tips.